Alright, what's up y'all? Stixx Picks here, back with a video at the Stockton flea market with a little picking video. Sorry if I'll be energetic this video, or at least not that energetic. I'm not normally there. Alright y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything today. Hopefully I get enough footage for y'all to see what it's like here, I guess. You know, just get some prices, but I don't think I'm gonna get anything. How much for the game?
Oh, all right, son.
What's up?
I'll hook you up. Give me $10.
Let me see. Do you have any more Pokemon? Have you found any more Pokemon recently?
There's some here. Over there. What's your dad?
He's just sitting down being lazy. No, I'm kidding. He's watching our booth right now.
Well, you got. This one's nice. Brand new one.
Oh, here you go.
It's helpful. It's $30.
Alright, thank you. I appreciate it.
Take care.
Thank you.
Alright. Yeah, tell your dad tell your dad I said what's up.
I will. I'll tell him to come by too. I'll tell him to walk by.
I ain't got much today.
Oh.
It's mostly clothes.
Yeah, it's a bad day today.
I got a unit full of clothes, man.
Oh, really?
It's great.
It's a bad day today anyway. Just slow.
Yeah, it's fine out.
Alright, yo. We got these three. About 2 little games and a set of CDs. Brand new sealed. I think these sealed CDs can sell for about like 15. I paid $5. This Test of Honor game sells for about like 40 bucks. He gave me a pretty good deal on it. That's my dad's friend, so he already knew me. Alright, yo. There's not much happening here today. Very slow day.
I know, I just on this morning too. So, everything you have will fit in that trailer?
Not everything won't fit, but I had to get rid of a lot of stuff.
No car related stuff?
No, the only thing I'm leaving by here just for a little while is my Mustang. Because
You like that 209?
yeah, no, I was gonna ship it.
Alright, we back to walking around a little bit after helping my dad. I already walked around most of this place, but I might find a deal I didn't see before. You never know. You never know. It's a big old sunglasses table. I don't actually need a pair of sunglasses. I should get a pair. I get so annoyed by the sun. Oh man, I wasn't recording. Alright, I really thought I was recording, but I bought these Nerf guns for $15 a piece. Oh my god, look, it smells terrible next to these poor potties. Oh god, get me out of there. Oh, that's horrible. That's horrible. Ugh. Sorry, I'll keep doing this in a second, guys. Freaking terrible.
Mike, what are you buying?
Nerf guns, look at it. I got these for $15 or $25 for both, and these each sell for like 40 each.
That's a good deal.
I know. It smells terrible over there, Uncle Mike. Good luck. Alright, we got some good deals, I guess, today. I mean, hopefully these Nerf... I don't think there's fake Nerf guns. I mean, I guess there could be fake Nerf guns. Shoot, I could have bought some fake Nerf guns. I guess we'll have to see, though. I don't know if I'll get too much more footage of walking around though, guys. I don't know, it's gonna be a pretty short video. It's a short day today for us. It's very hot, so we're trying to get out of here fast. ASAP. Free, free, free. Everything is free. Take what you want. Everything is free. Take what you want. Everything besides this dresser says free. So pretty much not everything, but everything.
Soon. When the time is right.
Soon, Uncle Michael. I'm waiting for mine too.
I'm broke. Well, I did all the work. I need like years.
Well, he hasn't paid me in like 2 weeks.
Free. Not the plastic toe.
It's like a paid internship.
Wow, those are really cool. Don't put a lot of work into those.
Free. Take what you want. You take a box, so please don't dump it out.
Not the plastic toe.
No, you can't take a plastic toe? Oh.
No,
I think I gave that one of those away.
don't ever do that again, or I'll fire you.
Hey, you watched the lady and you told me to walk up there, and I like gave it to her pretty much.
He lifted that?
I don't know.
Gratis, everything is free.
Free. Take what you want, guys. Please don't dump out any boxes,
Not
though.
the plastic toe. No plastic toe.
Somebody got a free plastic tote. $1, or not dollar, free. I don't know if I said dollar. Free. Everything's free. Take what you want. Everything is free.
That's my stuff.
Damn, people over there fighting for it.
Gratis.
Y'all see that?
Everything is free. Please don't make a mess and no plastic toe.
Everything is free. Free. Everything is free. Take what you want. All that furniture is free. That bed free. All that stuff free. Amazing deals happening out here. You'll never see it. Never see it. Dad, I don't think that's free, right?
No.
I think it's very cheap, but I think how much for it though?
50 for everything.
50 for it all. Yeah, that's pretty much free. That's like really close. Guess we'll do a little recap before I leave. We got this for $5, I guess. He threw that in for $5. And these 2 games for 10. I think this game is I think if I saw it right, that is like $50 online. And this one was about 15, so I'll profit like $5 on that one. He threw it in with that one. And I also got 2 Nerf guns I got back here. I got these for 25 for the set. They were 15 each, but I just said 25 for the both. And yeah, those are about like 40 online, give or take. There's a lot of prices online. But yeah, that's it for me. I'm out. I appreciate you for watching this long. Thank you. Sorry this was the most exciting video. It's a lot of selling and stuff, but I had to do what I gotta do, you know? I'm out. Peace.